Hello, and congratulations on taking the next step in your recovery. Your surgeon has prescribed crutches to help protect your healing limb and keep you safe while moving after surgery. In this video, I'll review how to use your crutches correctly so you can move confidently and reduce your risk of falls. Before you begin, make sure your crutches are adjusted properly. The top of each crutch should sit about 1 to 2 inches below your armpits. You should never lean your body weight on the top pads. Your elbows should bend slightly, about 15 to 30 degrees when holding the hand grips. Always wear supportive closed-toe shoes and remove loose rugs, clutter, or wet surfaces from your path. When walking, move both crutches forward together first. Then step with your surgical or weaker leg, following your weight-bearing precautions exactly as prescribed. Non-weight bearing. Keep the surgical leg completely off the ground. Toe touch weight bearing. Rest your toes lightly for balance only. Partial weight bearing. Place only the allowed percentage of weight through that leg. Weight bearing is tolerated. Put down as much weight as is comfortable. After stepping with the surgical leg, step through with your stronger leg. Keep the crutch tips slightly wider than your hips and look forward, not down at your feet. To sit, back up until you feel the chair behind your legs. Hold both crutches in one hand. Reach back with the other hand and lower yourself slowly. To stand, push up from the chair first, then position one crutch under each arm, once steady. If you have questions about stairs or safety at home, your physical therapist can guide you. You will also be provided a tailored home exercise program that can be performed until you're fully transitioned to the physical therapy clinic. Move slowly and mindfully during the first few weeks. If you experience increased pain, dizziness, or instability, stop and rest. To schedule physical therapy or speak with our team, please call 305-689-5635. We're here to support your recovery every step of the way.